Introducing the Kerlock. Kerlock, it's safe and easy to use. You'll never have to touch another bathroom lock again with your hands. Bye-bye, germs. With the simplistic design of the curvature of the door frame, you need only push your forearm down to lock or up to unlock the bathroom stall, eliminating gross factor. It's that easy! Our expert team of researchers discovered 3 patents, one of which was a bathroom door operated on mechanical sensors and motors, but deduced the Kerlock is like nothing else on the market. And with a name like Kerlock, it's bound to be memorable. So, how will we advertise?